country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. The international news is brought to you by Vikram. Rare total solar eclipse expected on August 12. European Union implements new AI transparency rules. California farmers use bound holes instead of chemicals. Thank you. Today's national news is brought to you by K. Vishnuvardhan. India launches floating solar project, major boost for offshore energy security. Army launches all-weather indigenous fuels. Thank you. Have a short day ahead.
Today's thought is brought to you by you, Shram Sagar. Thought. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. I will repeat my thought. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
My name is Carol. Now I am going to tell weather report. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, wind speed 20 km per hour, mostly cloudy. Thank you. I am Guru Dikshit of Grade VII Sapphire. Today I am going to tell you about curious. It means eager to learn or know new things. Friends, please spell after me. Curious. C-U-R-O-U-S. C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Curious. Eager to learn or knows new things.
My name is P. Sunu from Grade VII Sapphire. Here my friend B. Rishikesh from Grade VII Sapphire. We are going to do conversation on science. Hi Rishikesh.
Hi Sinu.
Hey, do you believe in magic?
Magic? No, why?
Because think about it. We talk to someone across the world. We turn a switch and light fills the room.
Oh, I get it. That's not a magic. That's science.
Exactly. Science is just real life magic. It turns big ideas into things we use every single day.
So science is not just in a lab. It's in our hands, our homes, and every around us.
Right. So never stop learning how the world is working.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
Everyone, today abbreviations are brought to you by Ravi from Grade VII Sapphire. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. CNG, compressed natural gas. CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. RBC, red blood cell. WBC, white blood cell. WWTP, wastewater treatment plant. Thank you. Today's GK questions are brought to you by K. Question for Grade 7. What is the largest organ in the human body?
Skin.
Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is skin. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. What is the hardest substance in human body?
Enamel.
Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is tooth enamel. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. Which is the liquid at room temperature?
Mercury.
Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is mercury. Let us all appreciate them. Question for Grade 10. Which force pulled down object toward the center of the earth?
Gravity.
Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is gravity. Let us all appreciate them. Open questions for all. Open question number 1. What is treat an ant bite?
Baking soda.
Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is baking soda. Let us all appreciate it. Which acid is present in lemon?
Lactic acid.
Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is citric acid. Let us all appreciate. What is the reaction between acid and base is called?
Neutralization.
Yes, you pick the right answer, and the answer is neutralization. Let us all appreciate them. Thank you. Have a nice day.